How to delete photos on iPhone when storage is full. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Once you're here, tap Select in the top right corner and choose the photos you wish to delete. Then, tap the trash icon at the bottom right of the screen. A pop-up will appear, and to confirm the deletion, tap on Delete Items to proceed. The photos are now moved to the recently deleted album. Now, scroll all the way down until you reach the Utilities section at the bottom. Within Utilities, tap on the recently deleted album. Here, you can see all the items you've deleted in the last 30 days. Authenticate with Face ID or your passcode to access this folder. Inside this album, tap Select again, and then tap the three-dot menu and choose Delete All option that appears at the bottom. This will permanently remove the photos from your iPhone. Following these steps, you can easily delete photos on iPhone when storage is full.